Hello student, this is Ashish Ojha and welcome back to Excellence Home Tutorial. Today we will discuss about rational number exercise 1.1, question number 8, 9 and 10. In this we have to fill in the blanks according to equivalent rational number. Question number 9 we have to check either these rational numbers are equivalent or not, and question number 10 we have to fill in the blanks greater than sign, less than sign and equal to sign. So let's start question number 8. Question number 8 is minus 5 upon 12 equal to fill in the blanks upon 60 equal to 35 upon fill in the blanks. Second is minus 14 upon 63 equal to fill in the blanks upon minus 9 equal to minus 18 upon fill in the blanks. Here we have to observe that 12 into 5, that means 12 5 ja 60. So we have to multiply numerator, that means minus 5 into 5, that is minus 25 is filled, because 12 5 ja 60, so 5 5 ja 25 and minus sign is also written. And after that 5 7 ja 35 and here is minus sign, here is plus sign. Okay, so 12 7 ja 84 and this is minus sign, because 5 7 ja 35 and here minus but here plus. So 12 7 ja 84 and we have to write minus sign, because all the numbers are in negative, all rational numbers are negative. So minus 84 is filled. So let's focus on this. 9 7 ja 63, that means we have to divide this by 7, so we get minus 9. Okay, so divide by this by 7, that means 2, and we have to observe that this is negative sign and also in this negative sign, so this must be positive sign. Okay, so after that 2 9 ja 18, so 9 9 ja 81. Here minus sign makes the whole rational number negative, here minus sign makes the whole number negative. So this is the way to fill in the blanks of numerator or denominator using this equivalent number technique. Let's move on. Question number 9. Okay, so question number 8 is very simple. You have to observe the relation between given two numerator or denominator, that means 12 5 ja 60, so 5 5 ja 25. After that we have to apply minus sign, here minus sign, so here minus sign is applied, and after that 5 7 ja 35, so 12 7 ja 84, here minus sign, here plus sign, so we have to apply here minus sign. In the similar way we have to fill in the blanks in this. So next question is check which of the following are equivalent or not. So we have to check minus 8 by 13 and 64 by minus 104. We have to check equivalent by two methods, that means by cancelling method or by making numbers the denominator equal, by making all denominators equal. So let's start. Minus 8 by 13, 8 ja 104, so we have to multiply this 8 and this becomes 64 and this is 104. So we can see that this is 64 by 100 minus 104, and this is also. So both values are equal. So minus 8 by 13 and 64 by minus 104 are equivalent. This is the first method by applying denominator equal, by equaling denominator equals. We have to find out the equivalent rational number. Next method, alternative method is by cancel out the numbers. Minus 8 by 13 is written as such, and 64 by 100 minus 104 is cancelled by 8 8 ja 64, 8 1 ja 8, 8 3 ja, that means minus 8 by 3. So we have observed that minus 8 by 13 and minus 8 by 13 both values are equal. So since both values, both rational numbers are equal, so minus 8 by 13 and 64 by minus 104 are equivalent. Okay, so there are two methods. First method is by making every denominator equal, that means equivalent. We have to change its in equivalent form. Another is by cancel out form. Okay, in this we have to cancel out the other numbers if they are divisible. After that, moving on section B, which is minus 11 by 15, and other is 33 by 60. Okay, so B is minus 11 by 15 and 33 by minus 60. So we have to make their denominators equal. So let's make their denominator equal. First of all, write these type of numbers. After that, multiply 15, multiply by 15 to both the numerator and denominator. Add multiply by 60 upon 15 into 60. Okay, here minus sign is change into numerator. Okay, so you have to change, we have to write this in numerator form. Okay, so let's multiply 900. This is here minus sign is removed. This is, so here we are observing that minus 66, minus 660 and 480 are not equal. So minus 11 by 15 and minus 33 by 60 are not equivalent. We can prove that by cancel out these numbers by 3, that is 11 by 3, that is 20. Okay, so you can use another method to check equivalent form. So moving on, section C, that is minus 5 by 11 and minus 15 by 4. In this type of question, you have to first make the denominator positive. After that, you can make denominators equal. So here denominator is 11 and here denominator is 44. You can multiply with each other the denominator, that is 11 into this and this, or 44 into this. But another method is take LCM of 11 and 44. That means LCM of 11 and 44 is 44, because 11 divides 44. So minus 5 by 11 is equal to minus 5 into 4 upon 11 to 4, that is minus 20 upon 44. So this value is minus 15 by 44, this value is minus 20 by 44. So both values are different. So minus 5 by 11 and minus 15 by 44 are not equivalent. Okay, you can take LCM, you can make every denominator by in equal values, or you can cancel out this. That means 3 5 ja 15, sorry, this is not divisible. So this is the method to check equivalent rational numbers. So let's move on, section D, which is minus 5 by 7 and minus 15 by 28. D is minus 5 by 7 minus 15 by 28. Here 7 and 28, the LCM of 7 and 28, LCM of 7 and 28 is 28, and we have to make denominator equal. So 7 4 ja, so we have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 4, that means minus 20 by 28. Okay, so here minus 15 by 28. Okay, minus 15 by 28 minus 20 by 28, both values are different. So minus 5 by 7 and minus 15 by 28 are not equivalent. Okay, this is the method to check equivalent rational numbers. After that, we have to move question number 10. In this, we have to use greater than sign and less than sign or equal to sign. In this also, we have to use equivalent method to equal the denominators of the given rational numbers. So question number 10, section A is minus 11 by 8 and this 33 by minus 24. Here we have to observe that first rational number denominator 8, second number denominator 24. We have to make this denominator as positive. Okay, so minus 8 by 80 equal to 33 by 24. First all this is, we have to shift minus sign into numerator. After that 8 4 ja 24, so we have to multiply this by 4. Sorry, 8 3 ja 24. This is minus 33 upon 24. So both values are equal. Both values are equal. So we have to use, so minus 11 by 8, we have to use equal sign between these rational numbers. In this, another method can be used by cancelling method. That means we have to divide this by 11, and so by 11, so this makes the 11 by minus 8, so both values are equal. So another methods are used, so don't worry about it. You can use another methods for applying greater or equal to sign, less than sign. You can free from this. Okay, you can use alternative methods. That means exercise section B, minus 12 by 9, fill in the blanks, 60 by 45. Here you can use cancelling methods, or just use this method. Minus 12 by 9 equal to 9 5s are, so you can multiply both the numerator and denominator 5 by to make denominators equal. Okay, so here one thing is this, minus 12 by 9, here 60 by 45, the equivalent rational number is also negative. So here we have to you have to remind that this is negative value and this is positive value, but their values are same, only sign are different. So positive value is greater than negative value, so minus 12 is less than 60 by 45. Okay, always positive values are greater than negative values. So let's move on section C, that is 75. 75 upon 125. See, 75 upon 125 and fill in the blanks. In this, minus 150 upon minus 300. Here in numerator and denominator both negative values are used, so these are changed into positive values. Okay, so we have to take LCM of 125 and 300. Okay, so let's take LCM. That mean 5 2 ja 10, 5 5 ja 25, 5 6 ja 5 5 ja 25, 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10. After that 2 4 ja, sorry, 2 6 ja, 2 3 ja 3, after that 5. The rule of LCM is, first of all you have to divide 2, after that 3, after that 5. So rule is different from this. 5 5 ja 25, 25 2 ja 100, sorry, 50, 52 ja 100, 100 3 ja 300, 300 3 ja 1500. So we have to use this. Okay, 75 by 125 is equal to minus 150 upon minus 300, that is minus 150 upon 300. Okay, after that 125, so remove 125, 5 5 ja 25, 5 ja 125, so remaining 2 2 ja 4, 3 ja 12. So you have to multiply both numerator and denominator by 12. And here 300, that means 5 5 ja 25, 2 ja 50, 52 ja 100 and 300. So you have to multiply this by 5. This is 750 and this is, so you can compare it. 900 upon 5, 1500 and 750 upon 1500. Here 900 is greater than, so 750 upon 125 is greater than minus 150 upon minus 300. you can use in this method by cancelling both the number numerator and denominator. After this you can take LCM, and after that you can make every denominator equal. After that compare these, and then you can use equal or greater than sign. Another method is, another question is minus 8 by 3 and fill in the blank minus 12 by 8. In this we have to we have given that both denominator are positive sign, so we have to make both denominator equal. So minus 8 by 3 is equal to minus 8 into 8. So you can use multiplication by 8, 3 into 8. So this is minus 64 by 24, and here minus 12 by 8. You can multiply minus 12 into 3 upon 8 into 3. That means you have to multiply by 8 both the numerator and denominator, and 3 by 3 both the numerator and denominator. That means minus 36 upon 24. Here both the denominators are same. Both the denominators are same. So the less value, the smaller value, that is minus 36, is greater than the 64. That means 64 is less than, and 64 is comes from minus. So minus 8 by 3 is less than minus 12 by 8. This is the answer. Okay, you can use different type of methods to solve these type of questions. So if you have any problem related to maths exercise 1.1, you can contact me via WhatsApp number 84002080 and 4, and like the videos and subscribe the channel, share my videos to other students who are not able to take online classes or other offline tuitions, and this will help the poor students to prepare well for their studies. Okay, have a nice day.